Financial fraud has always plagued economies, but in the 21st century, the scale and sophistication of these crimes reached unprecedented levels. Globalization, technology, and complex financial systems enabled certain individuals and corporations to exploit loopholes, deceive investors, and siphon off billions. Here are 5 of the most notorious financial frauds of the 21st century that shook the global financial landscape. 1. Bernie Madoff's Ponzi scheme, 2008. Perhaps the most infamous financial fraud of the modern era, Bernie Madoff's Ponzi scheme defrauded investors of approximately $65 billion, making it the largest financial fraud in U.S. history. Madoff, once a respected Wall Street figure and former chairman of Nasdaq, promised consistent, above-average returns through what he claimed was a legitimate investment strategy. In reality, he was using money from new investors to pay returns to earlier ones, a classic Ponzi scheme. For years, Madoff avoided detection due to his status and the trust he commanded. The 2008 financial crisis triggered mass redemptions that exposed the fraud, leading to his arrest. He was sentenced to 150 years in prison in 2009. 2. Wirecard scandal, 2020. Wirecard AG, a German fintech darling once valued at over $24 billion, collapsed in 2020 after it was revealed that €1.9 billion, approximately $2.1 billion, on its balance sheet simply did not exist. Touted as Europe's answer to PayPal, Wirecard grew rapidly, acquiring companies across continents. However, investigative journalists, particularly from the Financial Times, had long raised suspicions about accounting irregularities. The fraud was finally exposed when auditors from Ernst & Young refused to sign off on the company's accounts. CEO Markus Braun was arrested, and COO Jan Marsalek became an international fugitive. The scandal severely damaged Germany's financial oversight credibility. 3. Enron scandal, 2001. Although it occurred just before the start of the 21st century's second year, the Enron scandal remains one of the most impactful corporate frauds in history. Enron, once hailed as an innovative energy company, used complex accounting tricks, especially special purpose entities (SPEs), to hide its debts and inflate profits. Its executives, including CEO Jeffrey Skilling and CFO Andrew Fastow, misled investors and regulators. When the truth surfaced, Enron declared bankruptcy in December 2001, at the time the largest in U.S. history. Thousands of employees lost their jobs and retirement savings. The scandal led to the dissolution of accounting firm Arthur Andersen and prompted the introduction of the Sarbanes-Oxley Act, 2002, to strengthen corporate governance. 4. Luckin Coffee fraud, 2020. Once considered China's fastest-growing coffee chain, Luckin Coffee admitted in April 2020 that it had fabricated over $300 million in sales. The fraud was executed through fake transactions intended to inflate the company's performance and stock price. At its peak, Luckin had over 4,500 stores, even surpassing Starbucks in China. The deception attracted billions from investors, including U.S. funds. The scandal came to light after a whistleblower report and an internal investigation. The stock price plummeted, the CEO and COO were fired, and Luckin was eventually delisted from the Nasdaq. The case underscored growing concerns about the auditing standards of Chinese companies listed overseas. 5. Theranos and Elizabeth Holmes, 2015 to 2018. Theranos, a Silicon Valley startup once valued at $9 billion, claimed to have revolutionized blood testing with technology that required only a few drops of blood. Its founder, Elizabeth Holmes, was celebrated as the next Steve Jobs. However, investigative reports, notably by the Wall Street Journal, revealed that Theranos technology didn't work and the company had misled investors, regulators, and even patients. Holmes and former COO Ramesh Sunny Balwani were charged with massive fraud. In 2022, Holmes was found guilty and later sentenced to 11 years in prison. The case became a symbol of the dangers of hype-driven tech culture and the failure of due diligence in startup investing. Conclusion: each of these frauds, though different in nature, had common threads: unchecked ambition, systemic oversight failures, and a dangerous mix of trust and complacency. They not only led to financial losses but also deeply eroded public trust in markets and institutions. These cases serve as stark reminders of the need for transparency, regulation, and ethical leadership in global finance.